Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat. Today we're going to be looking at how to solve a traditional 4-band puzzle ring like this one. So if you've been lucky enough to inherit or thrift one of these, you may have found it in a state like this. But don't worry, it's quite easy to put together when you know how. So all 4 bands are different. To begin with, you're going to be looking for the 2 that are V-shaped like this, and you want to make sure that the one that has the wider bumps is on the left hand side. Can you see this one comes to more of a direct point with the bumps here? So hold them into this shape, and then the ones underneath, you'll notice you have one that has a double wave and one that is just a long bar with a bump either side. So the double wave you want to hold with the first bump near those bands. Hold it with your fingers at the back, and then this one with the long bar, we're going to make sure that we've got the bar visible here, and we're going to just turn it over the top to make a cross. Easy as that. So that's the start of our ring. Let those 2 bands fall, making sure that you're holding onto the sides here, and you want to have one either side. You need to make sure that this right hand band is on top of the left one. If it's not, just bring them up to the top again and bring them back down over each other. All we're going to do next is we're going to take the first one and push it forwards and pull it down, and then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. You might need to slightly separate out the bands with your fingers, push it down and then pull it down the other side, and you have your completed ring. Easy peasy. So you might want to rewind and watch that a few more times and give it a practice. I would love to know if I've helped you to solve your 4-band puzzle ring. Please do drop me a note in the comments, hit that like button and subscribe for more vintage jewellery videos. Do check out the channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.